what resilience means to me in this security context, but also in an economic resilience context, is that we have enough capacity in the economy that is dedicated where it can be diverted towards some of these strategic needs when necessary. And a national defense stockpile can just like not solve that problem. It's one reason why, you look at really resilient defense bases, they have a robust private industrial base for these things. It's one reason why, the electric vehicles is of import because it helps you keep a level of capacity in the critical minerals sector that can be diverted towards defense needs if it ever comes to it. The data center piece of this could serve this function now because we're going to have a lot more energy storage and battery storage potentially, and so I think of that as a really important piece of it.